Prepare all tools and materials needed for the assembly of Hardcore 1363 treadmill. Prepare the 5mm inner hexagon spanner and 6 pieces of M8x20 hexagon screw. Prepare the open spanner set with screwdriver, 5mm inner hexagon spanner and 2 pieces of M8x50 hexagon screw with lock nuts. Slowly lift the upright along with the panel and sit the panel at the top of the upright. Install the M8x20 hexagon screws on each designated holes using your hands to fit the screw thread properly. Tighten all screws and nuts with each appropriate tools. Remove angle locks on both sides using 6mm inner hexagon spanner. It is important to remove angle locks to prevent damage to the unit and for the shocks to work properly. Prepare 4 pieces of rubber cover. Place the rubbers to the area where the angle locks were removed as shown on the video. Plug the power cable and turn the switch on. Place safety key to the safety key sensor. Treadmill will not operate without the safety key on the safety key sensor. When lubricating your running mat, make sure that you do not get any of the lubricant on the running surface, as this can cause you to slip later. Grasp one side of the belt and pull it up and slightly away. Insert the silicone spray nozzle underneath and spray towards the center area. Do this on the other side as well. Apply at least 1 to 2 drops of silicone oil. Manually move the belt about half a revolution and lubricate in the same manner again. When finished, run the treadmill at a slow walking pace for about 5 minutes to evenly distribute the lubricant. Insert the pin into the 3 levels of incline. E01 error. Remove screws to access the wire inside the upright. Check if the wired connection is plugged correctly and if the wire is pinched. Remove the screw and check the back cover. Open the back cover of the monitor to check the wires, if they're plugged or not. If there is still an E01 error, please contact the supplier for the technician to replace the wire connection. E02 and E03 error. Remove motor cover. If the motor is rough or hard to roll and has a burnt smell, then the motor is defective and it is subject for replacement. Make sure all wire is connected properly to the motherboard.